Very soon, Donald Trump will take over as the 47th US president, and his return may not be as smooth as it looks for Indian markets, businesses, and American Indians. It has been a hot topic of discussion for India as US is India's largest export destination, accounting for 18% of India's total exports in FY24. Any policy change in the US will have an impact on the Indian economy too. Now, the biggest question is Trump's return India friendly? Let's analyze. Trump's agenda is simple: America first. He says make in the US if you want to save money to foreign businesses and domestic businesses. He encourages US based companies to boost manufacturing and reduce imports. Now, most companies manufacture abroad to cut costs like labor, land, etc., and then import to the US to sell to the US customers. Trump says that he will increase tariffs on imports from other countries. India could be at a loss here, particularly those industries that are competing directly with American products. Earlier this year, Trump called India a tariff king, a very big abuser in terms of import tariffs. Listen in.
India, which is the tariff king. India charges tariffs of 100%. And then if we want to put a tariff of 25% on, people will call from Congress. But that's not free trade.
Sectors like pharma, IT, and textiles could face higher tariffs if they export in the US. However, Trump has also mentioned his friendship with Prime Minister Modi and his anti-China stance, which may benefit India in some way too. He says that he will impose higher tariffs on China, which could make India the alternative for US companies to diversify their supply chain and see India as a low-cost destination as per Nomura's report. But there is also competition from Vietnam, Indonesia, Japan, and South Korea. However, Trump has recently also announced that he had a very good telephonic conversation with Chinese President Xi Jinping, which experts say could indicate that Trump might go slow on tariffs and may also want to negotiate. Another positive is his extreme tax cutting policy, where he plans to cut corporate and income tax rates. This could mean additional spending in sectors like IT, metals, wire, cables, pharma, etc., and directly or indirectly benefiting India too. Let's talk sectors now. There could be a negative impact on Indian banks and NBFCs as per experts, because lower tax rates might be a boon for businesses, but higher interest rates due to Trump's fiscal policies could constrain India's borrowing costs. Fed is likely to maintain or increase rates to combat inflation from Trump's expansive fiscal policies as per some experts. Dollar may also strengthen, which could negatively impact Indian exporters, making their products more expensive in the dollar-dominated markets. It could also impact companies who have borrowed in dollars. Coming to oil. With India being a major oil and gas importer, it is largely going to benefit from Trump's return, because he emphasizes on domestic oil, gas, and coal production, and this could stabilize the global oil prices. OMCs are expected to benefit from the lower prices, and he also has emphasis on domestic infrastructure development and economic growth, which is likely to drive demand for commodities like metal, energy products, creating opportunity for Indian companies across mining, energy, and agriculture sectors. For tech, IT companies that depend on H-1B visas for staffing their US operations may have an impact due to Trump's restrictive immigration policies. This could mean more operational costs for these Indian IT companies. However, most IT companies have already started local hiring after his first term as the president. And since reliance on China's tech firms is reduced, India could benefit as US firms seek to diversify partnership in high-quality, cost-effective outsourcing destinations, including India for telecom and cybersecurity mainly. In pharma, While some pharma innovation related projects might move back to the US, Indian contract development and manufacturing organizations or CDMOs may gain due to lower cost base. Now, Indian pharma companies that export to US may also benefit from the Affordable Care Act, but there might be a tariff hike which may also impact these companies negatively. Indian stock market opened higher before Trump's oath-taking ceremony. Nifty opened at 23,290 points with a gain of 0.38% and Sensex opened 0.47% up at 76,978 points. Nifty closed 0.61% higher and Sensex closed 0.59% higher on Jan 20. This came after Trump's announcement of a very good telephonic conversation he had with China's Xi Jinping. Dollar also eased against the global currencies, helping rupee recover 15 paise earlier in the day. So sectors to watch out for would be IT, pharma, textile and banks, and also metals. Let us know in the comments what are you betting on, and I will see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe to ET Now for more such news and content related to budget and financial news.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.